Hello guys, welcome to Exploring with Jazza James, and we now have the snow. I am away to shovel it, and look at that. Bam! All we're doing and everything. This is a snowstorm, and just a heads up to anybody that's watching this and who lives in Scotland. We're gonna apparently get 2 days of this again. But apparently worse, but I don't know, because that's it. So we're going to be doing that, and yeah, it's just bad. Look at this, man. Oh, it just comes down. Yeah. So heads up, guys. Heads up. Exploring with Mark. F has uploaded some videos. Shout out to him and watch his Power Ranger one. That's funny. I like that one. So I don't know when's the next time I'm gonna be. God, it's on my face. The next time I'm gonna be, I think, out somewhere in video, but exploring isn't all just going to places. It's like exploring life or exploring places. So yeah. So I'm going to be shoveling this snow.